Hi friends, how are you? Today the discussing topic is most important related to the power transformers and different type of transformers. So the cooling systems. What is the cooling systems? The cooling is a very important things for any heating elements within its range. So the cooling is the most important matters related to the decreasing of the heat to not reach to the maximum point of fire. So in case of the transformer's cooling procedures has its own specifications. So the first is the air natural and it abbreviated AN, air force or air blast, air natural, ONAN, oil natural air forced ONAF, oil forced air forced OFAF, oil natural water force ONWF, oil forced water force OFWF. These different type of cooling procedures has been applied on the power transformers for its cooling purpose during its active position. When the transformer is on load, some heat will be generated by help of the hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. So that depends on it. It is the also called the iron losses, and the other part of the loss is the copper loss. Is the most important losses. The most of the contributions of the losses due to the copper inside the transformer. So I square R loss. It's called the I square R losses. So during the loading or during the loadability time, the transformers will generate heat inside the transformers, and that heat to be evaporated from the outside surfaces or from the radiator of the transformers. So the radiator is being installed for just decreasing the heat inside the transformers for its better efficiency and operation. So need efficient working, longer life, higher efficiency of the transformers. We have to evaporated the generated heat during the active time of the transformers. So different type of coolant we have used for the heating avoidance purpose. So first of all the air, second is the synthetic oil, mineral oil, gas and water. It's not for the transformer cases. For every type of heating elements we are using these types of coolants. It may be the car, it may be the generator, it may be any type of equipment which generate heat, and it heat to be avoided for not to be fired. So type of transformer, dry type transformers was there, while immersed type of transformers was there, is there. So the dry type transformers, air natural type of cooling has been used, air force type of cooling has been used, and in the oil immersed transformers, oil natural type, oil natural air force type, oil force air force type, oil natural water force type, and oil force water force type of cooling has been used. So most of all the cooling is the most important parameters or the procedures of the transformers. Also we in the practical cases we are using different type of, these are the all the procedures of the cooling procedures, but in the practical cases we are just using the three-phase cooling fan, three-phase dual pump that has been fixed on the radiator. The fan has been fixed on the radiator and it's used for air blast or air force. The air force has been given to the radiator for radiating the heat and it to be cooled. And in the pump cases, is pump is the dual pump is just connected with the main tank of the transformers. When the heat, the mercury switch was there, when the heat just exists beyond the limited value, predetermined value, then the pump will be on automatically. When the pump will be on automatically, then the pump will circulate all the oils inside the transformers. So if the oil will be circulated throughout the pump and throughout the transformers, then if you circulate anything heated material throughout the surface, then the heat will be evaporated quickly. So this is the most important, the oil force procedures. This is called the oil forced procedures. The pump is being used for the oil forced procedures. So these are all the procedures has been used for the cooling purpose of the transformers. So friend, if you are interested to show my video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updated technical and real life video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.